As mentioned in the intro to the demo video, Erector Pro can be completely customized and configured as per your specific business requirements and processes. Every question in the estimation wizard can be configured and structured through a smartly built menu, and all the prices, unit costs, and labor rates can be changed as and when desired by the user. We will now launch the configuration menu by clicking on the configuration button. As you can see, we have different configuration parameters here around different options like building parameter cost sheet, roof slopes, roof wall types, gauge sheetings, insulation types, extra eaves, interior partitions, interior partition heights, spoke curtains, roof liners, canopies, roof skylights, windows, louvers, high-low tie-ins, roof curbs, clear spans, brackets, base spacing, long base spacing, and many, many more. And just to illustrate, we'll walk through a few of these. So we'll go ahead and click on the building parameter cost sheet, and this launches the menu to configure that. This basically consists of items with a flat cost per unit. And as you can see, we have different options within this like roof sky web, brick flashing, sliding doors, mezzanine, crane beams, spandrel beams. And as you scroll down, you'll see more of these: portal frames, deck tie, nested purlins, extra purlins, wall skylight with insulation, crane rails, so on and so forth. And just to illustrate, we can enter another test example, another flat cost parameter, and give it a unit cost of $10 per feet. Next time we open it, we will see that that item is in there at the very bottom. And we can obviously always go ahead and right click and delete that option as well. We will now click on gauge sheetings, and as you can see, we have two kinds of gauge sheetings set here: roof or wall. And within that, you have different gauges, 26, 24 for each one of them, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, and obviously the associated unit cost per foot. Other things we can take a look at is extra eaves, for example, and over here we've defined our ranges, our brackets. So if, for example, we have a range of 0 feet to 16 feet, which is no cost, and then 17 feet to 19 feet, which is $1 per foot, 20 feet to 24 feet, which is $2 per foot, 25 to 31, which is $3 per foot, so on and so forth. And you can obviously go down and define whatever ranges you want to define, and I can say this is going to be 103 foot to 110 foot, and define that as $12 per square foot, and close that. I'll just go ahead and delete it for now. We'll just click here and choose delete, and there we go. We can also go ahead and take a look at interior partitions, and this is basically where you define your height range. In other words, you're giving a beginning and an end dimension. So we're going to say our interior partitions can range from 0 to 25 foot with a base cost of $1.85 per foot, 26 to 35, 36 to 45, 45 and over, and we can define as many brackets as we want. We'll also go ahead and take a look at roof purlins and girts, and we will scroll down here, click on that, and as you can see over here, we're also defining the kind of purlins, whether it's a roof purlin or a wall girt, and what the associated size of the girt is with the appropriate unit pricing. Some of the other configurable things are the wall liners, and we'll go ahead and launch that. And as you can see, that defines the height range cost, how wide it is, what is the range for it. So for example, we have a 0 to 20 foot with it, which is a 36-inch wide type. We have a 21 to 25 foot rather, which is also a 36-inch wide type. So you're able to define the range of the height that you have, as well as what kind it is, whether it's a 12-inch or 36-inch, and whatever the associated price is. So folks, as you can see, this is a very customizable application. It gives you the complete power and complete control over how and what you want to structure. We'll now go ahead and close the configuration menu,